In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase GitHub Copilot. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step in this process is to open your web browser and search for the GitHub Copilot sign-up page. This will lead you to the official page where you can pick a plan that suits your needs. Once you're on the sign-up page, the next thing you want to do is review the different plans available. You'll see options tailored to individuals as well as options for businesses. Take your time to look through what each plan offers to see which one is right for you. If you still want to explore GitHub Copilot without any commitment, you can look for the Get Started for Free link. This gives you a chance to test the waters with a trial version and see how it meets your needs before fully committing. Now, after you've chosen the plan you want, go ahead and click on it. You'll then be prompted to fill out a form. Make sure to enter all your details accurately. This typically involves providing your name, email address, and other relevant information, so give that a moment of your attention. After you've completed the form, the next step is to fill in your payment method. Ensure you have your payment details on hand, whether it's a credit card or another method you prefer. Enter this information carefully to avoid any errors. It's important to double-check your details before moving on to avoid any hiccups later on. Once you've confirmed and filled in all the necessary information, look for the option to save or submit your payment. This is usually clearly marked on the page, so it shouldn't be hard to find. Take a breath, you're almost there. Congratulations! With all those steps completed, you have successfully purchased GitHub Copilot. It's now time to dive into the features and start enjoying its benefits. With GitHub Copilot, you'll find an enhanced coding experience, assistance with code suggestions, and so much more that can help streamline your programming tasks. Feel free to explore the official documentation and resources that GitHub provides to make the most out of your new tool. It's an exciting journey ahead, and I hope you find it as helpful as many others do. If you found this guide useful, remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video for more instructional content. Thank you for watching,